Okay, so there is a cute little birdie here, right here. I don't know if you can see him or not. His mom and dad are looking for him because they are tweeting, and we don't know how he got here, like right in our bush, but parents are over there or somewhere around here. One of them is on top of the roof, and he is responding and moving. I think he's trying to find his parents, but I don't know about that. So the tree is shaking. So the bird is in the tree looking, the big bird is in the tree looking for the little bird. See if I can get I'm gonna see if I can get him on camera for you guys. Okay. Look at him, can you see him? I don't want him to smell me because they can't smell human. I don't want him to smell me because then when his mom or dad calls. Look it. There they are. There they are looking for him. They have no idea he's down here. So now they are looking for him. He is responding to their tweets. But they look a bit worried. So I am, in case they do not find him, I am going to use these to try and push him back where he was, if they can't find him. Just try and show them, trying to show him to them, so that they know he's okay. And then I'm going to try and push him up on the roof, because I think that's where the nest is. So yeah. Okay, here it is. Here he is, you guys. He's so pretty cute. I don't even think he has any wings. He does. I can see him. He's so cute. He fell in this little bush. Okay, so they cannot find him at all. It is so hard to hear his little tweets. Like, I'm gonna see if I can guide him to him with this stick I have. Guide the parent with this little stick. See if I can get their attention. Hey, right here. No, come here. They're right here. It's right here. Come on, he's right here. Come on, it can't be that hard to find him. He's right here. Over here. Come here. Your baby's right here. Can you not hear him? Can you not? He is right here. He is so cute. And one of them is on that house. I have a trusty little stick to fight off wasps and guide the birds flying, looking for him. You are looking for him. I don't know which one's the mom. Oh, look it. I think that one was just one of the other ones. I don't know. They are looking for him. They are in that tree. So let me see if I can show them the way. They're in this pretty big tree. It's pretty big. Come on. Your baby's waiting for you. Come on. Come on. Come on, your baby's over here. He's over here. Good, go. Not there. He's not there. He is not there. Where did that bird go? Jesus, find your baby. Like, is it too hard to find a freaking baby? I mean, a baby bird, yeah, it must be pretty hard. I mean, over here. Over here. Bird, why are you so dumb? Come over here. He is right here. Come towards me. Come towards me. No. It won't work. He won't listen. He's on that house, and he's over here. Come here. Oh, birds are so stupid. Okay, back up. Back off. Back off. Wow. I don't know what to do right now. There's a feather. There is a feather. Come here. Come here. Why are you over at that house? He's not there. He's not there. Look at him. Look, I'm going to see if I can scare him off. See. Come on. He's not there. He's not there. If only I could see him better. He's too tiny. I almost smushed the wasp with my stick. The wasp. I don't know where the wasp is. Yes. He's right there. Right here. I think that piece of the pen, remember? I know. I have absolute no idea where he is, and I'm gonna point to him. Come on. He's right here. Can't you see him? He's right here. Come on, bird. Bird. You're gonna lose your baby. Birdie. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet. Okay? You gotta find your baby. And what I mean by find is mean get. Right over here. He's right here. I don't know what to do right now. Titi, what do I do?
Yeah, and I can send you this page out as a definition, but that's what the definition.
Come on, birdie. Find your little baby bird. Your baby bird is over here.
Now just make sure that when you do dinner sauce,
Not even pointing at the bird. Okay. Can't see right now. So, the bird is gone. The bird has no idea where her baby is. Or his or hers baby. I don't know where the dad is. Why isn't the dad into this? The dad should be the main one looking for his baby. I don't know if it's a boy or girl. For some reason, I think it's a boy. Or a girl, I don't know. It's just too darn adorable. He's too darn adorable. Oh my goodness. It's just a little baby. It's just a little baby. I feel sad for the poor little thing. He is so cute. He does not deserve this. He is home alone. He's lost. He is lost, people. Peoples of the YouTubing family. If you cannot see him, he is right here. He is so darn adorable. Adorbs! Okay, so if you want to see the second video to find out if he sees his parents. Yeah, I wanna get this video to 100 likes, cause this dude is darn adorable. Get this. Okay, so if you get this video to 100 likes, or 50, or even 10, I don't care. I just need some likes on the video. I need likes on the video if you want to see a part 2 to find out if he gets his parents and if his parents find him. Okay? So, see you in your part 2. Yeah! Okay. Bye.